everyone, I'm Dr. Aparna, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician at KIMS Cuddles Hyderabad, and in this video we are going to discuss the role of breastfeeding and the safety of breastfeeding in COVID infected mums. So we've seen that a lot of mothers during pregnancy and soon after birth were also affected by the COVID-19 pandemic, especially in the second wave in India. So first and foremost, the good news is that most studies have shown that breast milk is safe in breastfeeding and that there is a very small risk of transmission of the virus through breast milk. So it is safe for mothers to continue breastfeeding during COVID-19 infection even if they have been recently diagnosed with a RT-PCR positive report. But it is important to ensure few things before kind of going ahead with this recommendation. These include adequate hand hygiene, breast hygiene, surface disinfection. First and foremost, one has to ensure that the mother has sufficient stability of her own health status in order to continue breastfeeding the baby, which means the mother should be stable enough, should not be having breathing difficulty or low saturation levels requiring hospitalization or oxygen support or respiratory support with HFNC, etc. Now, if the mother is stable and if she is well enough to breastfeed, it is obviously important and safe to continue breastfeeding in these babies. It is important to ensure that hand washing is ensured for 40 to 60 seconds before breastfeeding. Surfaces are adequately disinfected with antiseptic solutions and breast hygiene is followed. So the breast may be simply washed with soap solution before the baby is fed. This is to avoid the chances of infection due to aerosols which may be generated during the process. It is also very important that mothers follow respiratory etiquette during breastfeeding. This means the mother should continue to wear a triple layered mask or a thick cloth mask during feeding. This will ensure that there is lesser chance of infection that is being transmitted due to the aerosol particles. With all these precautions, it is actually very safe and practically feasible to continue breastfeeding even in mothers with COVID-19 infection. In this situation also, the best option would be to consider expression of breast milk with a breast milk pump or with manual expression, and this expressed breast milk can be safely provided by another healthy COVID-19 non-infected or negative caregiver from the family to the baby using a cup and spoon or a palada or with a container like a nifty cup. The expressed breast milk which is collected from the mother can be safely stored in room temperature for 4 to 6 hours and in the refrigerator for up to 24 to 48 hours. And this can be safely thawed using warm water before being given to the baby. It is very important to ensure complete sterility of all the equipment such as spoons and utensils used in the process by making sure they are washed in soap and water and sterilized in rolling boil water for at least 10 minutes. With all these precautions, it is absolutely safe to continue breastfeeding or breast milk feeding even with the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.